Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to pin and unpin messages in your Telegram groups. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to highlight important text, links, files, or photos right at the top of your chat, making sure your group never misses a crucial update again. Let's jump right in. First things first, open the Telegram app and head straight to the group chat where you want to pin a message. If you're juggling lots of chats, don't worry, you can quickly search for the group name at the top. Once you're inside, take a moment to look through the conversation and find the specific message you want everyone to notice. It could be a new announcement, a set of group rules, a photo, even a document, anything that's worth putting front and center for your members. Now let's talk about how to actually pin it. If you're on desktop, that means using Telegram on your computer. Simply right-click on the message. If you're using a phone or tablet, it's just as easy. Tap and hold on the message until a little menu pops up. This menu is packed with options, but today we want the one that says Pin. Go ahead and select that. Don't worry if you pause here for a second, it's important to make sure you're pinning the exact message you want. At this point, Telegram might ask you if you want to notify all group members about the pinned message. This happens especially if your group is large or you want to make a big announcement. If the message is urgent, like a meeting time or an update everyone needs to see immediately, it's usually a good idea to confirm and let everyone know. If it's something a bit less pressing, you can choose to pin quietly. Just take a second to think about what's right for your group. Once pinned, your message will appear at the very top of the group chat. You'll notice it stands out with a special highlight, so it's hard for anyone to miss it. This is now visible to everyone, whether they're online all the time or just checking in every now and then. I always like to use this feature for reminders like please RSVP to the party by Friday, or for sharing an important file like a collaborative document. You can test it by scrolling through your chat. That message will stay put right at the top, no matter how lively your group gets. But what if you want to unpin a message, maybe because there's new info or it's no longer relevant? No problem, just tap and hold on mobile or right-click on desktop the pinned message up at the top. The same pop-up menu will appear, and this time you want to select Unpin. Telegram will take care of the rest, and now the top of your chat is clear for the next important update. Don't worry if you can't find the unpin option right away. Sometimes you need to tap the group name or look for a little see all link near the pinned message. This lets you view all currently pinned messages in a neat separate list, which is especially helpful for busy groups with lots of announcements. And that's really all there is to it. Pinning and unpinning messages in Telegram groups is a simple but powerful way to keep your conversations organized, make sure important info is front and center, and help everyone stay on the same page. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and you're always welcome to drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into trouble. I check the comments regularly and love helping out. And if you want even more easy how-tos for all your favorite apps, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.